Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to resolve WhatsApp waiting for this message on iPhone. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is good, stable and works properly. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp. For that, open the App Store app on your iPhone. Then click on search bar at the bottom right corner of the menu. Here search for WhatsApp. Here make sure your WhatsApp is the latest version of iOS and make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. If any update is showing here, then update it. Solution 3. Uninstall or reinstall the WhatsApp application. For that, press and hold on the WhatsApp icon until the menu appears. Then tap on Remove app in the pop-up menu. Now tap on Delete app. Then again tap on Delete to confirm your action. After doing this, now go to the App Store and reinstall your WhatsApp application. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.